Hello, teacher. I feel very sad when I speak English. People laugh at me. My English is not good, and I feel embarrassed. I understand how you feel. It is not easy when people laugh. But let me tell you a secret. Everyone who learns a new language makes mistakes. It is normal. The people who laugh are not the brave ones. You are brave because you are trying. Don't worry about them. Focus on yourself. Today, we will make you strong. Okay, teacher. What should I do? First, forget about being perfect. Your goal is to communicate. If you forget a big word, use a simple one. Speak slowly. It is okay. When you are alone, stand in front of a mirror and talk to yourself in English. Just say, "Hello, my name is Ronti," or "I am learning English." Also, find a simple English story and read it out loud every day. This will help you hear your own voice and build confidence. Okay, I will try that. Great. Now, let's learn something very useful. The simple present tense. We use it to talk about our daily life. It's simple and powerful. Let's start with your day. Tell me, what do you do every morning? Say it slowly. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Excellent. See? You are speaking English. For I, you, we, and they, we use the simple verb like I go. You play. Now let's talk about your father. What does he do in the morning? My father, he reads the newspaper. Perfect. When we talk about he, she, or it, we add an S to the verb. He reads. She cooks. It runs. So your mother? What does she do? She drinks tea. Wonderful. Now let's ask questions. To ask about you, we use do. For example, do you like music? Yes, I do. I like music, see? Easy. To ask about he or she, we use does. For example, does your father read a book? Yes, he does. Fantastic. Now for negative sentences. If you don't do something, you say, I don't. For example, I don't like coffee. What about your sister? Let's say she doesn't like milk. We say, she doesn't like milk. Notice we use doesn't and the verb like has no S. She doesn't like milk. I understand. You are learning so fast. Remember, don't let anyone stop you. You are a learner and you are brave. Use these simple sentences every day. Talk about your routine, your family, what you like and don't like. Start today. With small steps, you will build a strong foundation and speak with confidence. Keep practicing, and soon, those who laughed will stop and listen. Thank you, teacher. I will practice every day. That's the spirit. Thanks for watching. Keep learning, stay confident, and don't forget to follow our channel Clear Voice English for more lessons. See you next time.